Here's a simple example of how Python can be used in physics to calculate the velocity of an object in free fall. In this example, we use Python to calculate the final velocity of an object in free fall after a given time period. We use the formula v equals u plus at, where v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, which is 0 in free fall, a is the acceleration due to gravity, t is the time duration. We also calculate the final velocity using the formula v equals sqrt, 2*g*h, where g is the acceleration due to gravity, and h is the initial height. The user is prompted to enter the time duration, and the program calculates and displays the final velocity of the object in meters per second. This is how we can combine physics and Python together at Bangsaen AI Studio. Thank you.